These are the types of scenarios that give me incredible encouragement and comfort. Here are three young people who are facing a huge obstacle, an obstacle that is there to not only affect their relationship with God, but also that could destroy their lives in seconds. There was 100% chance to save their lives, but they chose to keep their walking with God in good shape. That's when they gave this answer. If we are thrown into the blazing furnace, the God we serve is able to deliver us from it. And He will deliver us from your Majesty's hand. But even if He does not, we want you to know, Your Majesty, that we will not serve your gods and worship the image of gold you have set up. What a level of faith and trust.